Good to see you.
So happy to see you. Really, isn't she? You come with scooter?
And now he's showing me his family's home. Ah, he has a little goat.
My mother.
Oh, your mother?
My mother. Look my picture.
This is your picture. Nice. It's a good, nice photo.
My mother.
Wow.
Same.
Namaste.
Same.
How are you?
Yes.
Yeah, same face, yeah.
Same as my mother.
Hey, how are you? Namaste.
Namaste.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Baby goat. So nice. Oh, you have a little friend. He's injured, I think. Oh. She's cleaning the house, yeah? Cleaning? Ah, nice.
Here stay my father and mother.
Okay, okay. They're cleaning. Cleaning.
Today he was born.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That's amazing.
Oh my
In the morning.
god.
Wow. He looks bigger. He looks older. It's only born today. The baby's only born today. Oh. It can't, there's no grip on its feet. It's slipping everywhere. Alright, we're just walking, still walking to Rita's, talking to a lot of people on the way. The women. Hi, namaste. How are you? Good. Working hard, yeah? What are you doing? What does she want? What does she want? What did she say?
She says
Money.
photo.
A photo, money.
Photo money.
I understand. They're relaxing, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah. You know these, yeah?
Grandmother.
Grandmother. Okay, okay. Namaste. Hello. What does she want?
Medicine has.
Ah, medicine.
You say.
Ah.
It's a problem. It could come here. Look here.
Oh, problem with knee.
Yeah.
Not good.
It's problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, problem. He say medicine for here give.
Oh, we don't.
No.
We don't have any medicine.
China.
Sorry.
No.
Sorry.
Yes, the building is right.
Yeah, they seem old enough, so
No.
she hurt her leg, I think. She has bad legs. Oh my god. Right, you have some.
Next time.
Yeah, next time. Some people on the left here as well. When you walk at a slow pace, you really get to an insight and you get to experience it to its fullest. You know, instead of driving through, you don't see as much. Namaste.
Namaste gara.
Namaste.
Uncle ka saathi namaste gara.
Ah, namaste. How are you? Good. Namaste. Hi. How are you? Good. Right, we're walking up the little path to Rita's house, I think.
I stay before.
Yes?
20.
You stay here before?
28 before I stay in Lakeside.
Ah, you stay in Lakeside?
Yeah.
When you were 28?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, 10 years.
Working in Lakeside.
Okay.
That time is Nepali king
Yes.
is died.
Died, yeah.
That's why we are coming in here.
Yeah.
And stay here.
It's better life here, yeah?
Yeah, that is good.
Better life here in the mountains.
Here is
Yeah, they say the lakeside is not the best. Namaste.
good.
How are you?
मेरो साथीहरु यहाँ यसो घुम्न लिएर आएको
Good.
गाउँ टुलाममा.
They're relaxing. You drinking tea, yeah? Reading the Pata,
Pata is
the Hindu,
no.
the Bible.
Car. Play car.
Oh, playing cards.
Okay.
Gambling.
Yeah.
They gamble.
Yeah.
Okay, the gambler.
Here's a election after play car.
Alright, so they have a tradition, so they vote and then they gamble with card games. It's like Sri Lanka on New Year's. They celebrate and then they do card games to gamble. They like card games in these countries. Okay, this way?
Yeah, this way.
This is Rita's home. It's a nice place. Wow.
Hey, Rachel.
Oh, namaste. How are you? Ah, so cute, aren't they? So nice here, look at it. I think it's made with clay. It looks like the architecture's made with clay, yeah. Hi. Namaste. Namaste, Rita. Hello, Rita. Oh, such a beautiful place.
Yes.
It's so nice and relaxing. Namaste. Namaste. A picture? Yeah.
See you. Just now I come home.
Yes.
All day I standing on the queue.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Take a long time.
Yes, take long time. Too many people.
Everybody voting.
Yes.
It seems like you have to. It's a law. You have to vote. Yes.
Yes.
You're not allowed. What happens if you don't vote? What happens if you don't vote?
I don't know.
You don't know?
First time.
Okay.
First time I give welcome. Sit down.
Oh, first time?
Yes, first time.
It's first time. Oh, okay. I thought it was a obligation. Oh, we can sit here. Okay, let's sit here. Let's relax. Hello.
I think we would have never found your place.
Yeah.
See you.
Thank you for
Such a pleasure, yeah.
Yeah, such a pleasure. I think we would have never found your place
We
without
couldn't.
this.
Yeah, we wouldn't find.
I remember you. But I tried to call you, but the phone is not reachable.
No problem. He helped us.
We called.
Happy to see you.
Good to see you.
So happy to see you.
Cute, isn't she?
You come with scooter?
Yeah.
Where are you?
We parked at his place.
Yeah, like this house.
हिजो मसँग भेट भएको थियो My mother-in-law, husband, wife.
Yeah.
Your whole family lives here.
Oh, family.
But she live with my brother, with my husband, brother,
Yes.
wife. She cook here, I'm there alone.
Papa,
It's my son.
Papa.
What's up? No, no.
Go here. Yeah, go here.
This is my son. Come. Sit here.
That's such a nice experience. I wasn't expecting all the smiling. They're all like, surprised to see us. Especially the kids. They want to use my camera. Namaste.
Video.
And I think it's a clay home. Hey, my friend, this is clay. Clay, yeah? Oh, she's dancing for us. She's giving us a show. Nice. This is made out of clay, yes? Oh, sorry? Melissa? Tanisha? Tanisha, good. Yeah. Rita, this is made out of clay, yes? Clay.
Yes,
Clay, yeah. Hard work. It's hard work.
Yeah.
In Morocco, they make a lot of... they do this a lot.
This is wood and stone.
No. Yeah, it's very difficult. They want chocolate.
Okay, no problem.
There's no shop, no? Shop? They want chocolate.
Shop is there. It takes time to reach there. 15 minutes to reach.
Oh, far away then. You want chocolate? Yeah, I wish I brought chocolate. I feel bad.
I didn't know she had kids, so...
I didn't know you had kids. I didn't know you had kids.
Because you first time you came, but
Yeah.
I love you, but I respect you.
Yeah.
I'm so happy that you come in my house.
I know. I wish I could bring chocolate.
Yeah.
I feel bad, yeah. Oh, sorry. I don't have any. Oh, the dance sandwich. They're all so happy. Happy little kids. No stress, you know. Tiger. Chocolate. It looks like a scary buffalo. It's a scary looking buffalo. This is my buffalo friend. Oh, he doesn't look happy. Hello, my friend. Are you okay? Them eyes though are scary. Them eyes are so scary. Hello. Chocolate.
Hi, Glen.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Give me chocolate.
I don't have any. I'm sorry, my friend.
My mother-in-law, my husband,
Namaste.
my father-in-law, brother, wife. But
Chickens.
her mother-in-law, her what's her name?
Oh wow.
Daughter.
All the houses are together.
Daughter.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi.
Chocolate.
Chocolate monster. Chocolate monster.
His name is Rian. That little one name.
Chocolate monster.
Look everything.
Yeah.
Look,
Yeah.
everywhere is covered by green and hilly joy.
That's amazing.
Yeah, that's
I walk without slipper. Look here.
I don't need them. It's better to walk in bare feet. It's better in bare feet. It's healthier.
I have.
Yeah, I'm not good at this.
I want to show you something. Come.
Want to show me a secret location? Oh, where are you bringing us, Rita? It's a big surprise.
corn.
Yes.
Corn.
Cornfield.
This is not our corn. That
It's down,
Yeah.
okay.
It's so nice around here.
And what's this?
There's an old house.
This is my father-in-law brother house.
Okay.
Okay, there's an
so
old house there as well, broken.
They are broken that house and they make another house here.
Ah, okay.
Come.
Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Big adventure. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at it, look down the mountain. So nice.
Of course, we were hoping.
We were hoping. We were afraid we couldn't come.
Yeah, because of the
We thought we couldn't come with the election.
elections. But no problem driving.
Hello.
Oh, this is another old house.
So,
Wow,
They all have
there's some
chicken.
chickens. Everybody has a chicken to get the fresh chicken eggs in the morning. Nice.
kids' paradise.
Yeah.
Kid playing.
Yeah.
In the trees, in the jungle, climbing trees like monkeys.
Yeah, monkeys come.
What?
Monkeys sit here.
Oh, monkeys do come here?
Yeah.
I was joking.
But they
Okay.
took all the mist.
They robbed the crops.
They rock.
Wild monkeys, crazy monkeys, yeah? Okay. I was talking about the kids, but yeah.
Wow.
I mean, I'm not a bad way. The kids get to do whatever they want.
You like eat rice?
Rice, yeah? Yeah.
Rice and chicken?
Yeah.
You like?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I will go.
He
Okay?
likes rice
I
and
love
chicken.
rice and chicken, my
He
favorite.
loves it. He loves
Curry,
it.
curry, rice and chicken curry.
Okay.
Oh my god, my
But
favorite.
you stay.
We
I will
stay.
cook. Okay?
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, yeah.
You roam everywhere.
Okay. Like, who's a happy go?
Glens,
Yes, Glen.
I'm going to cooking. Okay?
Okay, thank you. Yeah, no problem. Take your time. We'll have a good time here. Yeah.
Okay.
No problem.
What's time now?
The time is 4 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay.
Should we help you?
You want help?
No. Wait.
Don't want help? Okay. Yeah, so it's starting to rain. You know, you have the mountain kind of rain at the moment, so it comes down pretty heavy. So hopefully it doesn't rain for long. But Rita, the woman just there, she's gonna cook us some chicken and rice and curry, I think. Some made with love, our favorite.
Yeah, chicken and rice, Glen, your favorite.
Yeah, I can't wait, and it's organic. Don't remember that.
Isn't that the most amazing, peaceful place on earth?
I mean, I don't know the situation. I don't think it's that easy for foreign people to just live here and build. I think there's probably specific, restrictions for foreign people.
We can come here and stay here for as long as we want to.
Yeah, but the visa is expensive though. That's the problem.
Stay like this.
Oh, the special way.
Sit like this. Mado, sit here.
She can't do that.
I can't do it. This is better.
I'm good at this. Sit in the pose, where they always sit in this sit this way with their legs crossed, so while they relax. Oh, special homemade tea, made with love. Oh my God, thank you. Black tea.
Yes.
Very nice. Cheers. Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Cheerio.
Letting all them go.
Oh, that's nice.
What time of tea?
Oh, that's very nice. Oh, no. No. It's a bit of sugar, sweet. This black tea is picked from Pokhara. From this around here, yes?
Yes.
Oh, you picked tea.
Natural.
Oh, beautiful.
I picked the leaf yesterday.
Oh my God, fresh tea.
From my house, from my mother's house.
Oh wow.
Wow, that's really, you can feel it.
Natural
Oh, no.
water, natural tea leaf.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's really nice.
And I add sugar.
Yeah.
Sweet, yeah.
Natural sugar.
Yes.
Want some? You like tea? No, you don't like tea? Nay. Okay, Tika.
Photo खींच रहे थे जिन.
You look.
No, I pretend only to move. You want to look here.
So cool.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's very dark though, yeah. This is the little kitchen quarters, okay?
Yes, kitchen.
So you stay here, yes?
No,
No, okay.
just my child used to study.
Ah, the study place, okay.
Yes.
So cool, so nice.
Wow. That's your, what is that? Your kitchen?
Yes, this-
Yeah. The
Oh,
kitchen.
yes, yes.
And bedroom?
bedroom. Yeah.
Okay. Very
Who
dark.
sleeps here?
Nobody at the moment.
Nobody.
Me.
Sometimes, okay.
Sometimes.
Okay, okay. It's cool, yeah. It's cozy. It's relaxing, yeah, it's nice.
Wow. The rain.
If
Rain.
my husband come, I will make house.
You make house?
Huh?
You make house when your husband?
This is my mother-in-law house.
Ah, okay.
Where's your husband?
My husband is abroad, Qatar.
Qatar! Oh
We
my
go
God.
to Qatar.
We go next week.
Qatar. Next week,
For
Yeah.
2 days, 2 days.
Qatar.
Doha.
Yeah, Doha.
He is accident. 1 year he didn't work. He did not work.
Oh no.
He is in hospital.
In Qatar? Have you seen
In
him?
this June, in this next month June, 1 year, he will be in hospital.
Really, that long?
Yeah.
Is he getting better or?
What happened?
Car delivery.
accident.
He used bike delivery. He
Yeah.
used to bike delivery.
Coma, is it? Coma?
Huh?
He's in a coma, no?
Is he asleep like
He's awake?
No.
awake?
Yeah.
Ankle?
The car.
Yeah.
Scratch.
One week?
When is he coming back?
After 1 month.
In
maybe.
1 month. Okay.
1 year? 1 year in hospital?
Oh yeah, 1 year in hospital.
Why so
now
long?
also he is in hospital.
Why so long? It's a long time.
Was it that bad? Very bad?
Really bad?
Very bad.
Can't walk?
No.
Can't walk
No
anymore?
work, no salary, no money. Listen.
It's difficult. God.
How do you make money in the future?
My mother sent me money.
Where's your mother?
My mother home. It
Yeah.
take time from here 7 hours to reach there.
Yeah.
It is very beautiful place. Sharp mountain.
Sharp mountain.
Sharp mountain. Yeah.
Sharp mountain.
Sharp
Incline, okay.
mountain. My mother stay there.
Yes.
Yeah.
She send me every month the money.
Difficult situation.
Yeah.
Difficult, yeah.
Not difficult, but God see
Yeah.
everything. God
Well,
solve
look,
the problem.
life seems good. He's happy here, you
You
know?
have money. It's money problem.
Now,
Is it a problem or
yes, problem.
Difficult, yeah.
Problem.
Understand. Okay. It's not easy. Disturbing you cooking.
I'm cook, okay?
Yeah, no problem. Oh, the rain is coming down heavy now.
Here also she cooking. Also
kitchen.
Really? 2 kitchens?
Yeah, kitchen.
whoa?
Here village people look so nice.
Up there?
Oh,
My mother-in-law.
can we go up?
Okay, go. Go.
Up the ladder?
In
Oh,
the village
yeah.
house, all the village house same like this.
Oh my god, so cool.
Village house.
Right, we're up there on the 2nd floor.
House.
This is so cool. Look at this. Natural, sorry, traditional house. Bit dark at the moment, you can't see much. But it's so cool. Sorry?
He's talking to himself.
Okay, look.
I talk to myself.
Huh?
I talking to myself, yes. I always talk to myself. Look at this, Madeline. So cool.
Oh my god. This is so traditional. I mean, you would see this in Europe, maybe in a museum, seriously.
So cozy.
This is amazing. Oh my god. Sit here and watch the rain.
Wow, look at this, beautiful. Looking over the mountaintop. Special.
Amazing. It's very special.
Yeah, it's pretty interesting how they live. It's very sad about her husband though, in Qatar. Can't work for a year.
Wow. Yeah, I feel bad. Like, she's the happiest, smiliest person.
They always smile no matter what circumstances they're going through, it seems, in this culture. It's very nice.
Positive people.
It's because, you know, simple living always leads to happiness, even though they struggle. But it always seems like they, you know, they smile no matter what. It's crazy. The rain is really coming down heavy at the moment. We actually came here right on time before the rain came down, so we got lucky. Hopefully it stops when we leave though later on. Rita is in the kitchen there, cooking some dinner. She said dal, chicken and rice, so I'm really excited to check it out. But taste it, I mean. So we're just gonna chill here for a few minutes and relax. You know, enjoy the weather, the rain, the sound of the rain and the nature.
Spicy.
Not too spicy.
Just natural. If you eat this like this food, you get healthy.
Yeah, of course. That's why it's better. Simple food is better. I mean, simple. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know why she said simple, because simple is amazing, especially if it's made this way. Squashing the garlic up, getting it ready for the curry.
Are you happy?
Always happy. Very happy.
Very happy.
Don't worry, we're very happy.
Yeah.
Don't worry. We love this. We love this.
All the village house same like this.
I like it.
The village area same like this. Everywhere you go, you find like this.
It's hard to explain. You need to talk to
But
people.
you're from the mountains.
Yeah.
It's the same.
I want to take you to the mountain, really.
Yeah.
When do you go?
How far is it?
It took time it took time 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 6, 7 hours. It's very beautiful. It's covered by a river, sharp mountain.
Wow.
There are people also, they are different language, different style, different culture there.
Where?
In her place where she grew up.
Oh my God! I wish I could see it. I wish I could see eggs. Eggs straight from the chicken.
Oh, she went to buy a chicken.
Oh wow, okay.
She not found a chicken. Oh, today is election, that's why all the shop closed.
Yeah.
I forgot.
No problem.
On the ladies,
First time that foreign people are here, right?
yes, really, yes. I don't have any expensive for you. First time.
That's amazing.
Yeah, amazing.
That's our, we look for this, yeah. We always want to experience this.
Boss one time,
In Pokhara is so close. It was only 20
she
minutes.
said to me, don't allow today, say them to stay here.
Yeah.
She
Why?
say, she is very happy. Don't
let them
say
go.
Him to go. Say him to stay here. She stay. She say. She is
Wish I
very
could.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sit here. She have one daughter. Her name is Divya.
Divya, okay.
One son. He is in Korea. He is working in Korea.
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 South Korea.
Korea. Now he is 4 months. He work there in Korea.
The money's good there, yeah.
Yeah, money good.
All the men, she told me all the men are
No men stay here
they
in
all go
Nepal.
abroad.
If my son also, when they grow up, they have to go abroad country to work.
Oh my God.
We don't get any job from here. The outside country come from Qatar, Saudi, Europe, America. All the men go work abroad, but we are male. We stay at home. Just rich people
difficult.
Rich people they make house in the Pokhara city.
Yeah.
And they enjoy.
stay
Yeah,
together.
but we don't have.
It's happier here though. It's better.
It's very good place.
It's better.
Good place, natural.
Namaste.
Namaste. Yeah.
They are very happy to see you first time.
We're so happy too.
Very happy to see you guys.
First time you say I cannot say what I forgot anything to see your face, really.
Oh my God. Oh. People want to experience this.
This is our own house, we don't have to pay rent.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's good.
House on garden.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Electricity. You have electricity.
Huh?
Electricity.
Electricity.
Power.
I have electricity light, huh?
Yeah.
I have.
Okay. Good.
Stay in rent house. It's not good.
Okay, let's eat some cucumber.
You see me. Take this cucumber. It's very.
You want to try? Fresh from the garden, Madeleine.
Fresh. No chemical, no.
Oh, I know.
Fresh.
Only the best. This will make you live longer.
It tastes like the normal one, no?
I eat like this.
Bit different.
Salt.
No, it's okay.
Take salt little. It's good for taste. Salt. No salt.
Salt. No, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah. Like this, yeah. Sure.
I I don't know what you say. Looking. If you go to your country, also don't forget me, okay?
I won't.
Everybody go, everybody stay, everywhere you live, everybody you stay. And from today onwards, you are my brother. She is my sister.
Okay.
I always welcome you. If you come next day, if you go to your country, also if you come, also I will take to your whole my relative house. I have 6 sisters. I have 6 sisters. 1 brother.
Oh my God.
My mother, father live in the mountain. Beautiful mountain. Snow.
Oh, that far.
Oh, near the snow is covered by snow and show Mount Everest.
What's the name of the place?
Palamkhani.
Mount Everest.
How do you get there? Palam?
Walk.
PHA.
Yeah.
PHA. There is iron.
What are you cooking in here?
She cook rice.
Ah, rice in here. Okay.
Yes.
The old-fashioned way.
Yes.
Look at that.
Yes.
Clay pot. Oh, it's broken. The old-fashioned way. They think I'm crazy.
She's cooking rice.
Yeah, cooking rice here on the old clay pot.
Wow.
Beautiful day in the mountains of Pokhara. Okay.
Rice is also from here? Local rice?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Everything?
Yes.
You pick the rice? You pick the rice?
No.
Okay. Everything's grown in the area though, yeah.
Yes.
Wash your hands, Madeline. Let's go. Wash your hands.
Me?
No, Madeline. Mado,
You say go toilet?
Before and after.
wash your hands. Before dinner. Before we eat. Wow.
Wow, that smells amazing.
Oh my God.
Because she didn't want us to go outside first because she thinks it's like not good enough. But like
We think it's great.
we think it's amazing.
Yeah, so we got some food here. We got some dal, some mixed sauce and onions, and 3 fried eggs.
Finish this food, okay?
Yeah.
No, finish everything.
Finish. If you
I'm
don't finish,
starving.
I'm upset.
I'm starving. Don't worry.
But I told you, my food is not good.
It's good. Stop saying that. Stop saying
Now
that.
I cook fresh food. I cook.
Yeah, it's amazing.
No mixing, no chemical, no hand.
I know, yeah.
Simple.
Don't worry.
Butter, salt, garlic.
It's more than enough. It's more than good enough. Don't worry. She thinks it's not good enough, but it's amazing. It's so nice of her to cook. I love eating this type of food. So I'm gonna dig in now. Water, thank you.
If you come next time, I will cut a chicken.
Cut a chicken next time.
Yeah, today I just
See, the elections, all the shops are closed, so there's no access to chicken today. So that's why. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Gonna mix it all together. The dal, the mix, and some egg. Yeah. Oh, look at them eggs. They're organic. Orange inside.
Oh my God. Amazing.
Oh wow. Oh, that's amazing. Oh my God. Explosion of taste. I always say that. It's a good way to express myself. An explosion of flavor.
No, this is amazing.
Oh my God. Really good. It's amazing.
But that's why you say good. Okay.
No.
I don't have anything. That's simple.
It's amazing.
No, really, it's amazing. Oh my
We
God.
like simple.
Okay. Eat nicely.
And the ginger flavor. It tastes ginger.
Oh yeah.
Amazing.
Drink this water.
So simple but so delicious. Seriously, good. Some eggs here.
One of the best food I had.
My village people, they say white people, that's why they feel happy and come to see you.
Yeah. Ah.
You like this?
It's good, yeah.
Really good, yeah.
What is it?
This is oil, onion, garlic, ginger, and what I add? You see, no?
Yeah, garlic, yeah.
Garlic, ginger, onion, tomato, and then salt,
Okay.
turmeric.
Simple, yeah. It's good.
I pluck the tomato from my garden.
Oh yeah.
Johnson.
What a great mix. The sauce, tomato sauce.
खुसी लाग्यो भनेछन् रोरा रोरा भाइ यस्तो मेरो घरमा त हाम्रो घरमा गाडी छ बंगला छ सबै थोक छ तपाईले हामी
Happy, yeah.
His father Indian army.
Oh wow. Is he for the Indian? No, no.
Indian Army.
Is he Indian?
Yeah. No, Nepali.
Nepali boy.
We are Nepali and the Indian Army.
Okay.
I say no, the male here they didn't get work. They have to go abroad country to work.
So you go to India, the army and stuff like that. Yeah.
That's why.
Not much work here.
Yeah.
It's all tourism. Yeah.
Yeah.
We just finished the food. Super delicious. And nice and full now. Lots of rice. But we're just gonna chill now for a few minutes. It's getting dark though. So I don't know what the next plan is. Probably go when it gets dark.
Yeah, I think we should head back.
Yeah, we should go back soon.
Because the roads are very steep.
Yeah, it might be dangerous driving down the hill at night, so they want us to stay. I wish I could, but we have all the stuff in the hotel. Maybe we come back in the future and stay for a month or something in the mountainside. You know, accommodation will be free, so it'll be nice.
That's not a problem. That's
Be
why
cheap.
I don't want to stay this house. If somebody come, they will drown. All the people come here.
They all come.
Never alone.
I want to make my own house, bamboo house, down.
Bamboo house, yeah.
After 2 months,
You know,
and I will happy that stay. No one disturbing me.
you know. Wish for the best if that happens. Yeah, we hope for the best that
Yes.
you make the house in the future. Be nice.
No, after
Want us to look in the kitchen?
kitchen, go.
This is the next door neighbour actually.
Go anything.
Have a bit of chickens in here, look.
Just a local hen.
Ah! Bit my finger. Alright, local kitchen.
Oh, there's the chicken.
Oh my god! That looks good. It's tasty.
I know you will come. I also got a chicken, but I don't trust you will come or not. That's fine.
Yeah, no problem.
If you come next time, I will cut you a chicken. Okay?
Yeah, no problem.
We'll cook in a fire. Okay?
Alright, okay.
Down the hill.
Okay. Oh my god. That's a funny way to cook a chicken.
No, that's like to make it clean, you know.
Clean. Yes. It is
clean it.
clean. Fresh, local.
Right, clean the chicken. They burn it. They always burn the chicken before they eat it. And clean it.
You want to look at it? Yeah.
Might be too dark. Checking out the next door neighbour's home. Oh, hi. Namaste. He's sleeping.
Okay, no problem. It's my father-in-law. Say hi, namaste.
Hey, father-in-law.
Namaste. My father-in-law, come say him namaste.
Namaste, namaste.
Namaste.
He's your best friend, yeah?
Yeah.
He's a good friend.
Yeah, good friend.
Yeah. The goat.
If he didn't see her,
Yeah.
whole day he is crying,
Crying?
shouted.
Oh no, that's not good.
Shouted. Somebody have to stay in front of him. That's why he keeps silent.
Alright. The goat always needs somebody in front so it doesn't cry.
Why is he?
If he don't see anybody, he shouted.
Oh my god.
Nice to meet
Namaste, bye bye. Oh, don't fall, Madla. Bye.
You need umbrella? I'll give you umbrella.
Ah, no problem. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, let's go. This way.
Okay. Walking back down to the bike now, down the hill. We're leaving, so sad to leave, but we have to go back before it gets dark because we can't see the slippy roads on the way down the hill, especially with the rain.
Show me the video.
Oh my god!
Come, I want to show you this house also. Come.
What house? What house?
My-
You want to show us a house?
This one? That house. Say him namaste, okay?
Over here?
Come.
Oh, namaste, namaste.
This
Okay.
is...
Oh, the chickens.
Yeah,
Lots of chickens everywhere.
Yeah, this is my...
Oh my god, it's like a playground. Oh, look at this.
This is my machine. You want to look at...
Oh my god, it's so amazing. Wow.
She also have Ati. All the village have
Attic. Attic, yeah.
Yeah.
Namaste, namaste. Ah, there's your
You want to
little...
go and search the Ati. This is my son, Usap.
I know, yeah.
Okay.
Ah, it's a funny child. What happens if you take this away?
He is so naughty. Two brother there, quarrel there.
Ah,
One same.
what happens if they have no phone? What are they gonna do? What are they gonna do if you have no phone anymore? No, if they have no phone. What's gonna happen?
no phone.
I take so they can't use anymore.
He's crying.
Crying.
Look, big dog.
Oh, Daniel.
Oh, he's a big bad boy of a dog. Look at this guy. Oh, that's very strong.
She wants to speak with you. Come and say her. Say.
Namaste, namaste. How are you? Yeah.
All they are family, we are a relative.
Oh yeah, one big happy family.
Yeah, big family.
It's really nice.
Living separate, we are not joining family. You know, na? My brother, my husband or wife also, she cooks separate, me cook separate.
Yeah.
It's better.
You're good, yeah? Good. Yeah.
She doing a tea.
Yeah.
Special tea. The tea is delicious around
Come
here.
here also have a chula. Come out.
Where are you going? The toilet?
No, this is not toilet.
I thought you said kitchen.
This is not a kitchen. No.
It's dinner time.
They have
Oh
so
my
many
God.
kitchen. Natural wood.
Smoky.
That's what wood from the jungle and cooking food.
Oh my God, smoky. Too smoky. Back away.
Here also look the kitchen.
The kitchen.
So many kitchen.
They have a fridge.
Kitchen.
If I make a bamboo house, I will make like this kitchen.
Yeah. Big kitchen.
Nice kitchen, yeah.
Fridge.
Wow.
Says
Lato ni ki bato ni la ke wani bes. Sabar lunch one sir.
She really got the moves.
We're just like this. Oh, the rain is coming.
Rain.
Let me.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi. The rain is coming, yeah.
The rain is
Coming again, heavily. Oh my God. Oh no, the storm's coming. Shelter. The goats have a good life here. Look, they get to chill on the chair. Village people are the best. So we're just walking a half a kilometre down the mountain to our bike now. So, oh, hopefully the rain doesn't pick up. It's slightly raining slightly at the moment.
Getting dark.
Picture, yeah. She's walking down with us down to the bike. It's really nice. Okay, the rain.
Rain is coming again.
Glen, Mado, come again, okay?
Yeah.
Come again.
And now, thank you so much, my friend.
Come
Take
again.
care.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Come
much.
again.
Yeah, I will.
Most
Yeah.
welcome you.
I know. Thank you so much.
Also most welcome
Yeah.
you.
We didn't expect that when we met you yesterday. So nice.
Weren't
Thank you so
weren't
much.
expecting that at all, no?
Okay, the rain is coming. It's better
Yeah,
to
we
go,
go,
okay?
we go.
I will chat you on WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. And I have your son on Facebook. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, my friend. Okay.
okay.
What's your age anyways?
It's
How
what
old
we
are
come
you?
on.
The rain's coming, yeah.
29.
29.
Like me.
29. Oh no, I'm elder than you. 29, no, 30, 31 maybe. 31.
You don't know?
31, 31,
You don't know exactly.
1990.
1990.
In 1990.
Okay.
16 April 1990,
You're
16 April.
31.
Now I don't know what
32.
age. 22?
32. Yeah.
32. Because I have to work hard.
I'm 92. He's 94.
I'm 94, yeah.
You elder?
Yeah, older, yeah.
No problem.
No problem,
Age
no.
only is number.
It was amazing to meet you.
Okay.
I'm
Happy
very
life, both of you. Okay. Every step should be success. Your
Of
life.
course, yes.
I bless you from the.
Oh, bless
I bless
you.
you from my heart.
Hopefully everything falls into place for
Yeah.
you.
Okay. Come again. Don't
Yeah.
forget me. If you forget
No.
me, I will, because I don't have anything.
And you don't
I-
forget us, so you
Okay.
do call me.
If you before you come here, and if you want to come again, you call me. Then I
Yeah.
will prepare you for good kind. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
now
thank
go,
you so
okay,
much.
happy.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye
Take care.
bye. Thank you.
Take care. Love you.
Bye.
Love you.
But
Bye bye.
remember, your sister have here. Okay.
Yes, thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Love you.
Lots of love.
All the best. God bless you. Success for your every step. I bless you from my heart.
Same to you. Same to you.
Bye.
Okay, the rain, yeah.
Yeah, we have to go.
We have to go, seriously.
Thank
The
you.
storm coming. Okay. Oh yeah. Thanks so much, my friend. It was nice meeting you.
Thank you so much. Thanks for
Okay.
tea.
Yeah.
Our family happy.
Alright, we just made it back. Well, how? We're absolutely soaked. Look at me, like I'm tripping. Look at Glen.
Oh my god, we have a storm here, so we're absolutely soaking. Oh my god, I'm dripping wet. Can't see much though, look. Yeah, that rain was pretty intense. I nearly crashed a few times. It's so dangerous, you can't see anything with the fog and the rain. So guys, that was a horrible drive, but we made it home alive. And I'm gonna say goodnight and say God bless, and please like and subscribe for future content. I need to change. I'm absolutely dripping wet here. Good night, guys. Oh my god, insane.